Hey guys, it's Minecraft Geek, and I'm here to show you how to actually change a skin in Pocket Edition. So first you want to download Pocket Tools, like that. Here, this is the second app right here, Pocket Tools, from the Play Store. I think it's free. Tools, it's totally free. Back out. Then you want to go to the browser, your browser. Sorry for the lines of the screen. I don't know what's wrong. So you go to minecraftskins.info. minecraftskins.info. And download skin. So I'm going to download a random skin, but you can go like fantasy right here. It says fantasy. You can go download anything from there. So I'm just download, download True Minecraft Universe. You check out his channel. He usually plays with Sky's Minecraft. So you press download. You zoom up to the corner. Oh, sorry, that's how it fell. Zoom up to the corner. And you press and hold till it comes up, says save image. You save the image. Now you go outside. You press Pocket Tools. Since you already downloaded it, you press Pocket Tools. And oh crap, sorry. And it says tool, and you press install download content, which is the third bar. Toolkit links install download content. So you press install download content. And you press the skin you just downloaded, which is this one. You press and hold. It says, what would you like to do? You press install. Go back outside. You press toolkit, the first one. Wait for it to refresh your resources. Taking a lot of time. Sorry for the bad resolution. I'm doing this in the day, not in my room. So then you press change textures or skins. Here, you press that. And then you click the skin you just downloaded, which should be at the end. Something's wrong with my Minecraft. So this is the skin that you just downloaded. What would you like to do? Use or install, you press use. Then you press the menu button, or the menu button. For tablets, it's the 3 dot on the bar where the time is. And for smartphones, it's that little double window right next to the first button, I believe. You wait for it, and then okay, so it says it will be installed. Press OK, and installing. It's all finished. You press OK. Oh crap, what the hell? Something's wrong with this. Okay, it says it couldn't find it, but it doesn't matter. But you want to install it. This is another way to get a free Minecraft. So I'm just saying. Sorry, Mojang. This happens a lot. Then you press application install. You press open. Then if you press this, SkyGrid. I have SkyGrid. If you want to know how to get maps, press the upper right corner. And if you want to know how to get a texture pack, then tell me too. Okay, so I'm using Sphax currently. So you press this button to show your skin. Go back to game. See, I have to remove skin. Okay, it's Minecraft Geek, and see you later.